Spring is almost here, so it's the perfect time to refresh your space. And this morning, we have simple and affordable ideas to make our homes smarter. So here to show us all the gadgets is tech and lifestyle expert Mario Armstrong. And you can scan the QR code to purchase all of these items. Good morning to you.
Good morning. Welcome back, Mario.
Right,
Thanks for having me back. All right, smarter. First off, GE motion activated lights. Now, this is a light that's less than $10 or right around $10. You plug it into the wall outlet. It comes on instantly here. But at night, this is motion detected. So 25 feet motion. So kids' bedrooms, bathrooms, hallways, stairs. And think about from kids to seniors to illuminate those spaces.
Yeah.
Really great to have.
That's a good idea.
It is. And it auto shuts off after about 90 seconds.
Oh, nice. Awesome.
So Roku has teamed up with the camera company?
Well, no, they actually have been doing cameras and other things as well. We think of them as just smart TV, but they also have cameras for indoor and outside. This is the indoor wired camera, under $20. Now, this is a great tech upgrade.
Put it anywhere.
Because you can put it anywhere. And it's like home security so that you can have that peace of mind. You can watch it from your phone, and you can also cast it to your Roku TV. So if you're baby monitoring and you're watching your favorite movie, you can still see your baby. And it's got motion detection and two-way talk.
Oh, you can have
you can talk to it.
Two-way talk does freak the kids out, though.
But sometimes the kids
sometimes they need that. Yeah, sometimes they need to know we're watching.
Keep them on their toes.
That's right.
I love a good smart lock because you don't have to worry about your keys. You can unlock stuff for people from a remote location.
That's right, for sure. And a lot of parents are walking around with groceries and kids, we know they forget their keys.
Sure.
Yes.
So this gives you multiple ways, the Blacksmith Smart Lock, 4 different ways to get into it. So you can use your phone, as Al said. You can also use your fingerprint. You can also do a PIN code, and it has a key fob as well that you can hold up. And then it has a manual key as well.
I mean, you would really have to try hard to lock yourself out.
And speaking of that,
But
it has
your kids can do it.
People will do it. You can set temp codes, so babysitters and other friends and family that want to get in, you can do that as well. And it installs easy. All you need is a screwdriver in a few minutes.
That's a great idea.
I love that. Yeah, we have that.
The smart shower.
Yes, we have to get rinsed off with not just a shower. This is a bathroom upgrade.
There's a lot going on here.
It's because it's 2 devices in one. You have the rainfall shower head. It's got an auto boost technology, so if you have low water pressure, it will boost that for you. But my favorite feature is the extension arm because you can get that shampoo out of your hair a lot easier.
I'm worried about that.
And also the pets and kids, you can bathe them, so it's really handy for that as well. Comes in chrome too, and it's got 9 different settings on here, everything from massaging to pulsating.
Low flow, don't like the sound of that.
And that's only $40 too, right?
Only $40. Thank you for calling that out, Craig. That's really a great buy.
I actually have this very scale.
And it works so well. The reason why is because you probably track so many different things. It goes right to your watch. Yeah, because you can connect it to your Fitbit, MyFitnessPal,
In case you need, what's my weight
Samsung
today?
Health.
Well, it keeps track of it. Yeah, I'm one of those.
But also your
I weigh in every
nutrition.
day. Yeah.
Your nutrition, but your BMI, your body weight, 13 different things that you can actually track through this. And you can weigh your baby and pets on this as well, which is really nice. And
Mario, forgive my ignorance here. So by just standing on the scale.
Yeah, so
barefoot on the scale. These 2 sensors right here are what you're standing on, and that's what reads the body weight. I don't want to get all into the tech behind it, but that's how it reads the body weight through fat,
tells
muscle,
you how much fat
and water.
you've got, how much muscle.
Wow.
That's right. And then it can...
That's impressive.
And it's one scale for the entire family, so different people could have profiles, so everyone can still have their own health and fitness goals. So for some of you that need to re-energize those resolutions,
and it's only $20.
No, and 286,000 people on Amazon gave this a 5-star review, and 60,000 people bought it in the last month. So it's very popular.
A smart power strip can save you a lot of energy.
A lot of energy and a lot of peace of mind. People leave the house. Oh, did I leave that curling iron on? You can now control up to 6 different devices with this smart power strip right from your phone. So, and you can schedule things. So if you'd like to have your coffee in the morning, Dylan, you can schedule that to happen. But when you're away from the house, I really like the fact that you don't have to worry. Did I leave that on? Just pull up the phone and find out. And as Al mentioned, you can track the energy usage. I didn't know this was a big thing for people.
Oh, yeah.
They're really into tracking the energy of all the different devices that are plugged in. Sometimes they're sitting there idle, not even being used, sucking up your energy, raising your bills. Yeah, so that's really great for that.
Because like you've got a coffee maker, it's plugged in, it's got the time code going.
It's still running a current.
And you've got USB ports built in.
And 3 USB ports in that. So perceptive today, man.
You really brought it today.
Great.
I tried.
Well done.
Thank you, sir.
So much.
When I get approved by Craig, Dylan, and Al, I feel like we did something.
These are very good items. Don't forget, you can scan the QR code or go to today.com/shop for all of these items. Today earns a commission from purchases made through links on today.com.
All right,
Let me get that shampoo out of here.
Yeah.
There you go.